what? I just hate him. He's
so... Oh, he's...
Do you also feel short of words when required? If yes, then this is the right video for you. Hi everybody, I Gurpreet and I welcome you all to my channel. Sometimes we meet people we don't like. Let's take a look at 10 negative words along with their meanings and a sentence to describe people we don't like. First word is big-headed. People who are arrogant, have too much pride, those who think they are the best are called big-headed. Example, the new boss was unpopular as he was big-headed. That means no one liked the new boss as he was arrogant. Next word is indecisive. Meaning of indecisive is the person is not able to take decisions quickly and effectively. If the person is indecisive, that means they have a hard time to take decisions. And in case if they take decisions, they might are not confident for the same. Let's take a look on example. She is very indecisive. That means the girl we are talking about is not able to take decisions quickly, effectively. So this is called indecisive. Clear? Now the third is hostile. Meaning of hostile is unfriendly. That means showing strong dislike. Let's have a look at example. Her parents were openly hostile to me. Now, the meaning of this example is her parents, it was visible that her parents were not liking me, were not friendly with me. Next one is boastful. Now, the meaning of boastful is the person who's talking about himself. That means what he has does, what are his achievements, how amazing he is. That's called boastful. And the sentence is, he is always boasting his achievements. I mean, how do you feel if someone is talking to you and he's talking about himself only, his achievements, he and he? Obviously, that means he's boasting his achievements. So, we don't like these kind of people. Next is grumpy. Now the meaning of grumpy is the one who's always in a bad mood. Always. I mean, it's like whenever we approach him or her, it's like we cannot talk to him. He's never hale and hearty. So the person who's always in a bad mood is called grumpy. An example is, I don't like him as he's grumpy. That means I don't like his nature because he's always in a bad mood. Next is pompous. Meaning of pompous is the person who thinks he is important and better than others. So the approach when the person is always thinking he is the only one is called pompous. Let's have a look on example. The millionaire was a pompous man who believed he should never wait in a line for anything. That means he had a feeling that he will never ever wait in line because he is the only one. Next is deceitful. That means person is not honest or hiding the truth to take the advantage. Right? That means the person is aware of the facts but is not telling to take some advantage for the same. An example is she won her promotion by deceit. That means she won her promotion, she got promoted by deceit. That means by taking some advantage, by hiding some truth, hiding some facts. Next is obstinate. Meaning of obstinate is stubborn. Just staying in a particular way, not ready to change at all. That is called obstinate. We'll be more clear with the example. Although the boy knew he was wrong, but he was too obstinate to apologize parents. That means this boy was wrong, but he was too stubborn. He was too adamant that he didn't apologize his parents. Next is finicky. If you say someone is finicky, that means the person is worried about small details and is difficult to please. Example, my teacher is too finicky about spellings. Last one is callous. Now the person who's callous is unkind, cruel, without sympathy. That means not at all a kind-hearted person. Let's have a look on example. It may sound callous, but I don't care if he's jobless. That means it may sound that I am not showing sympathy or I don't have any sympathy for him, but I don't care if he's not having a job. So these were the 10 negative words for the people we don't like. And in case if you've missed my previous video on positive personality adjectives, link is in the description box. Go and check it out as we love to compliment others. Till then, bye-bye.